Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're covering the buttons macro. If your Confluence pages feel like a wall of text and people don't know what to click next, this macro fixes that. Because it doesn't just add one button, it lets you create consistent buttons and button groups that guide users through the page. Here's the problem. Most Confluence pages hide actions inside paragraphs as normal links. So users scan, hunt, and guess what to open next? And when you have multiple actions like Start Here, Open Setup Guide, or Request Access, things get buried or look inconsistent. So instead of hiding actions inside text, let's turn them into clear call to actions and organize them as a group. The buttons macro lets you create a single CTA button, or a button group with multiple actions. Each button supports text and an optional icon, destination. Search a Confluence page, add a link, open in a new tab. Appearance controls like style, size, colors, and alignment. Now, let's do the full workflow. Insert it, configure one button, turn it into a group, and publish. Step 1. Insert the macro. Open the page where you want the call to action section and click Edit. Click Insert plus Search buttons and insert the macro. When the editor opens, you'll see a live preview on the left and your settings on the right. Step 2. Presets for fast setup. Start with presets. Choose something like primary, secondary, success, or danger. One click applies a clean style instantly, often with a matching color and optional icon. Now we'll customize it, starting with the button text and destination. Step 3, text, icon, and destination. Set the button text, like Start Here. If you want an icon, click Add Icon, search, and select from Lucide icons. Now choose the destination. Search page to select a Confluence page, or add link to paste any URL. And if needed, enable Open in a new tab. All right, now let's turn this into a button group with multiple actions. Step 4, create a button group plus layout. Click Add Button to create another button. Now you'll see multiple buttons in the preview. You can click any button to select it, and the editor loads that button's settings. Once you have more than one button, you'll also get group settings like orientation, horizontal row or vertical stack, alignment, left, center, or right. Now click Publish. In view mode, the page feels guided. Users see clear actions, click once, and land exactly where they need to go, either a Confluence page or an external link. That's the buttons macro. Consistent CTAs, clean presets, icons, and powerful grouping. See you in the next video.